rock stars. Welcome amazing humans. Coming up in this vlog, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 32 divided by 32 over 27, then times 27. First we do this multiplication. 32 over 27 times 27. We can easily cancel this 27 and this 27. So here we have this 32 only, and 32 divided by 32 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 32 divided by 32 over 27. To do this division, write down the 32, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 27 over 32. And here again, we have times 27. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 32 and this 32, which gives 27. And here again, we have times 27. So here we have this 27 times 27, which equals 729. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe for updates.